Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a page on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. First, log on to your Facebook account. Click on the menu icon. Navigate and click on Pages. Facebook will display all the pages you manage. Click on the page you would like to delete. In this case, I'm clicking on the Digital Bulwark. Once you're on your page, click on Edit Page. From here, click on Settings. Click on General. Scroll down. Under Remove Page, you will see the option of permanently deleting your page. So click on Permanently Delete the page. Now Facebook will prompt a notification sending a warning that once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back. If you would still want to delete the page, kindly click on Delete Page. And in this way, your page will be deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share to others. Thank you for watching.